Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I just want to quickly, this isn't a haul video, more unboxing, but in a previous video, I got the Winter Village Fire Station and the two base plates, a green and a blue one. So I'm just going to be unboxing all of these. So no, I did not forget about these, but alright, that one's open. I don't save the packages on these things, but alright. So that's the garbage bin, and then box this one here. So, this is my first blue base plate I have ever had, except for a 32 by 16 blue one, so like half a base plate that I got off of Bricklink, and that was used. So this is the first new one, full-sized new one I have. So, that's pretty exciting. And then, gonna just add this in the city somewhere, custom modular or something along those lines, and then put these in the little area I keep them in, and then here we've got the Winter Village Fire Station, like I said. So we're gonna be unboxing this. So cut the security tape here and here. So here, let's go like this. So, alright. Officially broke into it. Alright, let's put this somewhere safe. Window lid here. That'll work. So this does come with a light brick, which, okie dokie, that's a lot. Alright. Box did warn me though, because it did say 1,100 and some pieces. So this is what we got, and then this makes me happy. Manuals are not folded, so I can actually build this without being frustrated about the manuals. So that's awesome. So that's all. That's it for this unboxing, and then I'm gonna get into the speed build of the Winter Village Fire Station. So I just finished the froze the bag, and I actually went outside for like an hour and a half, so that's why there's this lighter stripe right there, because the sun changed position. So there's nothing I can really do about that. I guess I could try to put down the curtains or whatever, but so just so you know, it's like different. So yeah, so right here, so we got a Christmas tree, a little waiting bench, an ice skating pond, and with a statue and a fire truck to help put the star on the top of the Christmas tree. And that's all we got for the first bag, and now I'm going to start building the actual fire station. finished the first floor of the building where the fire engine would be parked. And so what it looks like from the front. A little snowman, little gates that open and close right here. And then you've got a fire hydrant, some snowy stairs. Apparently it's been snowing a lot by the Winter Village. Yeah, that's gonna do the third and final bag here, complete this off, and then I'll do a 20-second review of it, and then that'll be the end of the video.